Today I went to the Stockport Air Raid Shelters. It's a network of underground tunnels that gives an insight into life in wartime Britain in the 1940s. It was such an amazing experience to see what the locals went through. This is the largest purpose-built air raid shelter in the entire country. It also accommodated as many as 6,500 people. There's almost a mile of tunnels that are carved out of this red sandstone, and the basic amenities included electric lights and benches and bunk beds, toilets, first aid posts, and a sick bay. It really gives you the feel of the era and the struggle that the British people faced. All I can say is that it felt very real and it was an educational experience.